Hello, Unity developers! Welcome back to Rev Games Academy. In today's video, we're diving into a really exciting topic, creating a 2D enemy that moves between waypoints in Unity. This mechanic is perfect for patrolling enemies or guiding AI along a path, and it's a great foundation for building challenging gameplay. Let's get started! Now I am going to add an enemy to my scene. In the Unity Assets Store, I need to select a 2D character from the available packages. First, go to the Unity Assets Store, click on 2D, and then click on Character. Change the price filter to free. I have chosen a bird animation character, which I have already purchased. Then click Open in Unity, and click Open Unity Editor. Navigate to the Unity. Click Import to add the package to the project window. It takes time to load. The package was imported in the project window. Click the 2D bird folder in project window. Click the prefabs. Many bird folder is there. I choose bird 4 and drag and drop the bird 4 yellow into the hierarchy window. Now it's show in the scene window. Adjust the order layer for the bird. I will give 3. Angel size the bird. Now, create a game object for the enemy waypoint. Right-click in the hierarchy window, choose Create Empty, rename it. And give the position. Duplicate the game object and rename. And give the position. Now I need to add a script for waypoints. Click the bird prefab and then click the add. Then click new script, give the name as waypoint script. Then click create and add. Now the Visual Studio is open. The waypoints array stores positions the enemy will move between. The speed variable sets how fast the enemy moves. The current index keeps track of which waypoint the enemy is moving toward. The anim variable stores a reference to the animator component, which controls the enemy's animations. The animator component attached to the enemy and stores it in the anim variable. Then it sets the isWalking parameter in the animator to true, which triggers the walking animation, making the enemy appear as if it's moving. It first checks if there are any waypoints. If not, it stops running. Then it moves the enemy toward the current waypoint at a set speed. When the enemy reaches the waypoint, it switches to the next one in the list, ensuring continuous movement. The waypoint's length keeps the movement looping, and flip sprite changes the enemy's direction when needed. It first gets the enemy's current scale transform local scale, then multiplies the x-axis by -1, which flips the character horizontally. Finally, it applies the updated scale back to the enemy, making it face the opposite direction. Save the code, go to the Unity, drag and drop the transform waypoint reference into the inspector window. Let's save the scene, run the code. The bird animation works perfectly. In both the game and scene windows, the bird enemy character moves from point A to point B. And that's it. Today you learned about creating a simple car controller. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Unity tips. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll explore more things in Unity. See you next time!